Imagine a future where space is not just for astronauts, but for everyone. The challenge? Making space habitation feasible and accessible. Enter 3D printing, a technology that could revolutionize space colonization. Imagine printing entire space colonies, right there in the cosmos. But it's not just about feasibility, it's about making space a home. The possibilities are endless, and the future is closer than we think. Yet, challenges remain. How do we ensure sustainability and safety? As we push the boundaries of technology, we inch closer to the stars. 3D printing space colonies, a future not as far off as you might think. Join us as we explore the future of space exploration and habitation.